Hello everyone, I'm Vanita Vittal Gushran. I'm back with another weekly reading. So this video is going to be from 7th, okay, from 7th June to 13th June, okay. So before starting the video, I just wanna show this beautiful gift that my sister gifted to me, like my cousin, okay. Her name is Nishmita Anchan and Nikita Anchan. They do this beautiful artwork, like they call it a string art. Okay, so it is really beautiful. So if you wanna order it or order some painting or things like that, you can check the profile. I will share the link, okay, of the Instagram profile in the description below. Okay, so now without any further delay, let us get started. So these are your 3 piles. This is pile 1. This is Laddu Gopal, Lord Krishna, baby Lord Krishna. And this is for pile 2, option 2, that is Lord Kubera. I will keep it like this so that you can see, okay. अभी लड्डू गोपाल को मैं कैसे रखूँ, इनको मैं ऐसे ही रखती हूँ, ठीक है. And this is Sai Baba. This is option 3. So just close your eyes and okay. So just close your eyes and ask yourself, ask your higher self that how your coming week is going to be, and just ask your higher self how your coming week is going to be, and just select the pile, select the option that you are drawn to the most, okay. So let us get started, guys. Hello pile 1, whoever has chosen this beautiful Laddu Gopal, for you pile 1, I'm feeling that a good news is for some, okay, for some a good news is coming ahead of you regarding a baby, okay, or else you might start planning regarding like you'll start planning regarding a baby, okay, like the conception. It might be a conception period for some, okay, and a beginning, okay. I'm also seeing a new beginning for you guys, okay, beginning of a certain project, but most probably I'm seeing that family, like a family get together, a family of being some importance, okay. So now let us get started with your reading, okay. So let us see first of all your tarot cards. You God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 1, how their coming week is going to be. That is from 7th June 2021 to 13th June 2021. Okay. So pile 1, at the beginning of the week, okay, like there might be chances of some conflicts happening around you, or else competition happening around you, okay. So currently in the coming week you might face certain competitions where you will feel kind of why am I facing this competition, oh God, like और कितना करना पड़ेगा ये चीज को अचीव करने के लिए, so there like there is competitions ahead, okay. There will be kind of certain fights that might happen, like not major one but a minor fights, okay. And also I'm seeing a lot of competition, as I told you them, for some I'm also seeing new beginnings. So to achieve something there might be certain competitions for you guys, okay. Let us see your next card, the moon, okay. So something will be revealed this week, okay. See, things might happen that there is a lot of competition going on, and people okay, for few people are plotting against you, okay, so that you won't achieve what you actually want to, okay. So some things will be revealed in front of you, like who feels what about you, or else certain things regarding your work, okay, like regarding a person, okay, certain things will be revealed regarding I'm also getting especially a person, okay, एक इंसान के बारे में कुछ चीज ऐसे पता चलेगी which you didn't knew, okay. See, okay, I'll take this 2 cards. I hope. Okay, so Page of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, fine. See guys, now in the coming week ahead, I told you there will be, lots of beginning happening, okay. In the same manner, Page of Pentacles represents leadership, okay, creativity, leadership, okay. So make use of that creativity, okay, and don't let this competition affect you. Okay, so as this is a major arcana, things will be revealed to you, like जो चश्मे के पीछे छुपी थी ना वो चीजें सामने आएंगी, okay, things like that. So things will be revealed, so it is nothing to like worry, it will not shatter you out, it will just open your eyes, okay. It will, as simple as that, it will just open your eyes, and a lot of creativity will be of help, okay. And you will start using your creativity, okay, in case of your communication skills, or finding a new job, or else like also regarding family planning, okay. If you're doing, as I told you, for some I am feeling that some of you have started doing your family planning, things like that. So you will properly manage it properly, बोलते हैं ना कि you will arrange, अच्छे से plan करोगे जो भी family के बारे में भी है. If you're planning to conceive a child, okay, you'll start thinking, okay, I should heal myself, I should follow this proper diet, so that it will get help, it will help me during my pregnancy, or overall like this, okay. And so as I told you, in the beginning itself, that there is a beginning. So Ace of Pentacles, it's 1, okay, Ace 1. So beginning is going to happen, and financial good news can also come, okay. You can also hear something regarding financial, okay, like like confirmation मिल जाएगा कि okay, I am getting my payment at time, okay. Or else for some you might receive some amount of money that will come in, okay, and that will make you happy and feel blessed, okay. So let us see. I'm sorry guys. Let me just take this. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so guys, Pentacles, again Pentacles आया है, ठीक है. So like financially, तो financially, like I'm getting कि amount कुछ मिलेगा, money coming in, things like that. And there will be मतलब जो चीज थमी हुई थी ना, वो मूवमेंट होता हुआ मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है. लाइक फॉर सम, सी एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द बेबी, ओके. जैसे मुझे फील हुआ था कि सम ऑफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ बेबी, और सम फैमिली प्लानिंग, ओके. माइट बी ऑल्सो मैरिज, बट मोर देन मैरिज आई एम फीलिंग अ बेबी, okay. So whoever are planning, okay, for baby, they might बहुत टाइम से सोच रहे थे, they are thinking for so long for conceiving, okay, sorry, for conceiving a baby, and like, but it used to get delayed, okay. Things used to get delayed, or something didn't work out, okay. So now you will sit down and properly plan things, and you'll be like, okay, if this didn't work out, we have to make things work. And you will properly plan everything and manage it, as Page of Wands is also representing that you will happily and awesomely manage things, okay. जो यहाँ पे मूवमेंट नहीं हो रही थी, जो प्लानिंग रुक गई थी ना, वो चीजें मूवमेंट करेंगे. और ये द एनर्जी ऑफ दिस कार्ड, Page of Wands, handling each and everything in a very appropriate manner, like it's just smoothly, okay, managing things very smoothly, okay. So the coming week is going to be really awesome, guys, okay. Yeah, there might be some competition that is going on, but don't worry, okay, because you will be successful. You will happily, okay, happily and easily lead the way, okay. You will happily and easily lead the way, okay. Achieve what you want, okay, because you have that leadership quality within you. So make use of it, okay. Don't let it go in vain, because that leadership quality, that creativity, that hobby that you used to follow, okay, can bring in a lot of abundance. So start, okay, start working on it, okay. You might feel, that there is a lot of competition in what I want to achieve, like, जो मुझे अपने लाइफ में अचीव करना है उसमें बहुत सारा कंपटीशन है. You might feel like that, but it is okay. कहीं ना कहीं से तो शुरुआत करनी ही है ना. So start it now. Why tomorrow? Okay. So let us take 2 cards from this deck. Dance with life. Do something to change your energy. Okay, guys, for some I'm feeling that you have the passion, you have the hobby of dancing or some creative activity, okay. Might be like drawing, arts, or making something innovative which needs your creativity, okay. You need to do that, as if you're thinking कि उसमें बहुत सारा competition है and मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, okay. It's not true. You can do it, okay. And don't stress yourself much. Don't stress yourself. Just dance and enjoy your life, okay. अगर कोई competition में भी participate कर रहे हो ना, ऐसे enthusiasm के साथ करो ना कि okay, fine, it doesn't matter whether I win or lose, I have to enjoy the competition, okay. If you're participating in any of the competition, make sure you enjoy the competition, okay. Don't let it affect you, like I have to win at any cost. I have to win. It's okay if you lose, if you win, doesn't matter. But what matters is you learn something from that competition and you gain that knowledge and you have that fun experience of entering into a competition and participating in all of it. Okay. Let us see your next card. Get grounded, empathize, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Okay. So for some, you guys are really, kind of stressing yourself for some reason, okay. So don't stress yourself, guys. It is okay if you have, competitions. If you, it's okay if you don't know certain things, okay. Take the help of Mother Gaia, Mother Parvati, okay, because they will help you stay grounded, and heal yourself. Okay, heal yourself, stay grounded, do meditations, okay, because meditation is really, really awesome. See, to shift your energy, okay, it is important that you also, bring a change, bring a shift in your mentality as well, okay. And meditation really helps a lot to bring a change in your mindset, in your brain, it just gives you peace and a shift in your energy, okay. So let us see which goddess is with you and what message they want to give you in the coming week. Okay, Lord Chandra, the moon god. Purification of blood, nourishment of the crops, subduing mental ills and anxieties, overcoming pessimism and madness. Okay, so guys, for some, first of all, let me tell you that your intuitions are really, really good, okay. And I'm also getting the message that maintain a proper, nutritious food, okay. It's like, I'm just hearing that you're not taking care of your health, okay. You're not taking care of your, your food, okay, like your eating habits, I would say, okay. So make your eating habits proper, or else consult a dietitian or make it healthy, okay. Make it healthy, and also have drink adequate amount of water, like keep your body hydrated, okay? And Lord Chandra is also assuring you that your intuitions are gonna work really, really high, okay? If work with the moon's energy, okay? If there is something issue regarding your menstrual thing or your blood thing, have just go under the moon, like this have some moonlight, okay? Because moonlight really affects your blood, okay, and your emotions too, okay? So I yeah, I don't know why, but I'm very strongly getting for some, you are planning for a baby, or a family planning, I would say, okay? Family planning is going on, okay? And I'm also getting that, guys, just listen to your intuitions, okay? First of all, your intuitions are gonna go really good. Listen to your intuitions. Don't be in the energy of competition, okay? Enjoy whatever you're doing, okay? Okay. Lord Dhanvantri, lovely finances. You also got two cards of finances, like Ace of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Lovely, guys. And Lord Dhanvantri, okay? So, yeah. Freedom from disease, greater health and well-being, mastery of medical sciences, spiritual work, and literature. Liberation. I'm sorry. Okay, so guys, like what I'm feeling is, as I told you, some of you are not taking care of your health, not maintaining a proper diet for themselves, a healthy diet, okay? So, like Lord Dhanvantri is assuring you that, hey, take care of yourself, okay? Because even he's blessing you with good health, and that is why you're watching this video. That is the reason you have chosen this pile. That is the reason that he is giving you the message that he is protecting you, he is blessing you, okay? He's blessing your loved ones, okay, with good health, okay? But for that you have to maintain a proper good diet, okay? Because it's like you're not balancing your diet, okay? It's like you are like emotional eating ho raha hai, and you're eating more than you want, more than your body needs, okay? So have a check in your diet. And I'm also, I don't know why, but I'm getting that you some people might receive finances, okay, some amount of money, okay? So yeah, let us see angel cards, angel answer from angel answer deck, okay? Let us pick two cards from this deck, and let's see how your coming week, what guidance the angels want to give for your coming week, okay? Let me just remove. Okay. Okay, so angels are telling you that, like, I'm just resonating with this. Yeah, see, angels are telling you, like, not the right time, within the next few weeks, okay? So the things that you are waiting for, okay, might take some long time, okay, like some weeks, okay? So angels are telling you that, the competition that you are facing, and the things that, you will feel that someone is hiding something from you, or else, the things might reveal in front of you, but it's like angels are like, this is not the right time, you have to be ready for that, okay? And that the competition will completely gone, or else you will see certain things, or you will experience certain things that you passionately and like badly craving for, okay? Or else you are waiting for an answer, okay? Or else, as I told you, that some of you are trying out for a baby, okay? So you might receive a good news within the next few weeks, okay? So for some who are kind of very stressing yourself for the competition that is going around you, okay, don't stress yourself, because this is not the right time to take this stress, okay? This is the time where you have to utilize this, your strengths, your talents, and just put it in front of, like, ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना कि वो सब तुम्हारे सामने डाल दो, and create something what you can create, the beautiful thing that you can create, okay? So yeah, guys, your coming week is going to be really really awesome. Okay, but don't stress yourself regarding the fights or competition that is going around you. If someone is hiding something from you, it is okay. Okay, because when the things should reveal in front of you, they will get revealed at the right time. Okay, so yeah, bye lovely souls, have a great week ahead, and thank you for showering so much of love. Keep showering your love and keep supporting. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello pile 2, whoever has chosen this beautiful Lord Kubera. Okay, so for pile 2, I'm getting that, like Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, you have the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, and the other thing is, the finances is going to be really really good. And for some, I'm just feeling that like this pile, you guys are givers. Okay, you just love giving others. Okay, if you have the money within your pocket, you'll just remove those money and just give it to the needy. Okay, needy. Okay, so yeah, let us see how your coming week is going to be. Let us get started with tarot cards. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 2, how their coming week is going to be. Okay, Temperance card. So guys, for pile 2, okay, you guys, in this week, okay, you will be balancing things. Okay, balancing your spirituality and as well as your material life. Okay, but for me, I'm feeling that in this week, okay, you will give more importance to your spiritual journey. Okay, you will just listen to your intuitions, go as per your intuitions. Okay, and the sun, okay, like something good is going to happen. Okay, like a good news is gonna you will receive a good news, or else you will feel uplifted this week. Okay, like I'm feeling that this week is going to be uplifted, like some of you might have a golden aura around you. Okay, because I'm seeing a lot of golden energy in this pile. Okay, so a lot of abundance and like spiritual growth. Okay, lots of spiritual growth in this week, guys. Okay, and you will be able to balance the thing. Okay, like balance your spiritual journey, like balancing, as I told you that you guys are a giver. Okay, so in this week, okay, you will just try to you will also try to receive, or else you will receive the money that was stuck. Okay, like if someone wasn't giving you money or some things like that, okay, that person will come and just पैसे दे देगा वो आपको. ठीक है, that person will give you your money back. Okay, so let us see what next message. The Hierophant, 2 major arcanas, guys. The coming week is gonna be really really important. Okay, so the Hierophant. Okay, so with this card, okay, I'm getting that you guys, okay, you guys are like really, as I told you, you guys have a golden aura. Okay, so people get attracted to you, get attracted to your personality. Not like people come and talk to you not because you're something really beautiful outside. See, I'm not saying that you're not beautiful, but they don't get attracted via your outer appearance, but they get attracted to you for the kind of knowledge you have within you, for the wisdom and the way you guide others. It like really boosts their spirit. Okay, so even that is helping you guys. Okay, even the way you're guiding others, you are helping others, even that thing is helping your own journey, even that is helping you to move ahead. Okay, it is also helping you to grow in your own life. Okay, and I'm just also hearing that this good deeds that you have done, helping others, giving others money when they actually need it. Okay, like the universe is telling you that you will receive those blessings, like in multiply in million, billion and zillions, like बहुत सारा. अगर तुमने बस इतनी सी मदद की ना किसी की, वो उसके रिवॉर्ड में ना इतना सारा चीज है आपको यूनिवर्स गिफ्ट देगा. Okay, so I'm just listening that, guys. Okay. Two of Sword. Okay. So, guys, in this coming week, there will be choices available to you. Okay, like there will be things, which where you will be kind of confused which one to choose. Okay, but open your eyes. Realize yourself that knowledge is within yourself. Okay, listen to your intuitions, guys. Your intuitions are damn good, high, like damn good. Okay, because see, temperance card, hierophant card, and the two of sword. Okay, you have the great intuitions within your own self. You have that inner knowledge. Okay, inner wisdom. Okay, so make use of it. See, it's like this lady. See, it's like it's like this lady, her eyes are closed. Okay, she has herself tied her eyes and hold the two swords in her hand. The swords are up, so the decisions hasn't been made. Okay, so she's confused to make a decision. Okay, there are two choices available, and she's confused to make a decision, and she herself has tied her eyes. It means that she see. Okay, if she will open her eyes, okay, everything is visible to her. Okay, there is lots of knowledge available to her, but she's not opening her eyes. Okay, so what you need to do is just open your eyes, just peep in inside yourself and just seek the answer that is within you, because I can surely say you that you are very very knowledgeable person. Okay, see, degree doesn't matter, but your experience does, your wisdom does. Okay, so yeah. The moon. Even pile one got this card, the moon. Okay, so yeah. See, as I told you that you people are kind of, confused, okay, to make a certain decision. Okay, but the angels are telling you that, hey, if you remove that, if you will remove that ribbon, okay, that you have tied, yourself, on your eyes, if you will remove it, you will experience the magic of life. The secrets will be revealed to you. Okay, like the things that those were missing that you could not realize. Okay, like see, जो यहाँ पे चीजें है ना, ओके, ये जो विजडम अवेलेबल है, ओके, ये जो सोल्यूशन अवेलेबल है ना, वो आप पहचान नहीं पा रहे थे. ठीक है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज दोज थिंग्स, बट इफ यू विल ओपन, अगर ये अपनी आंखें खोलोगे ना, तो यू विल सारी चीजें आपको रिवील हो जाएंगी. सब चीजें दिखेगा, सोल्यूशन दिखेगा, आपका इनर विजडम दिखेगा, आपका नॉलेज, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, सोल्यूशन, सब कुछ दिखेगा. ओके, देन लाइफ विल सीम मोर इजी. ओके, फॉर सम ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप खुद लाइफ को कॉम्प्लिकेट बना रहे हो. ठीक है, लाइफ एक्चुअली इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है ही नहीं. ओके, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ you are making it complicated via your own thoughts. Okay, so change your thoughts, sweetheart. You need to change your thoughts. That's it, as simple as that. Okay, I don't know whether it is okay. Okay, pile 2. So, as I told you that you have to listen to your inner wisdom. Okay, so there might be things that, there might be things, that you're waiting for. Okay, and you're kind of confused that whether I will receive that thing or not. It's like you're kind of really working hard. Okay, you're really working hard. You have inserted all this wands, all the 8 wands, but the one wand is remaining and you're waiting. Okay, when will it, like कब complete होगा ये, when will it will be completed. Okay, so you're waiting for that moment. Okay, you're waiting for something to come. You're waiting, like I'm also getting that few of you, as I told you in the beginning, that finances. Okay, like कुछ लोगों का ऐसा है ना कि पैसे रिसीव करने का चांसेस है. So for some who were really waiting for their money, okay, money will come to you. Okay, like for some, like अगर कोई EMI पे करने में लेट हो गया, और किसी का पैसे देना था एंड यू आर लाइक वेटिंग कि मुझे मेरे पैसे नहीं मिले अभी तक, और एल्स मैंने पैसे दिए नहीं अभी तक, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो एज विद द टेम्परेंस कार्ड you will balance that thing and the waiting will be come to an end. Okay, so let us see what your other oracle cards are telling you or guiding you for the coming week. I'm so sorry. You guys are really confused. Don't be so confused, guys. I told you, don't make things complicated. Things are never so complicated. I hope yeah. If you really feel so much confused, ask a professional help. Ask for help, okay? Like, or seek someone who is actually professional, who will actually guide you with your issues, okay? Okay, I already received 2 cards. Fine. Okay, so the angels are telling you that for the coming week, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious, okay? See, like I told you, like you guys are waiting for something and you guys are, why am I not receiving it? Or, things like that, or why is it not completing? Why, like, why it is not happening, okay? So angels are like, hey, take a chill pill, have some cup of coffee, have some fun and just relax. Okay, do your work and rest of the things we will just handle it. Okay, this is the way I'm hearing it. Okay, so yeah, so angels are telling you like, hey, just enjoy, just chill. Take a chill pill, okay? So yeah, the other message that the angels are giving you, that the crumbling, okay, what you are, what are you clinging on to? How does it get any clearer than this? See? It's like, you're just focusing on one thing and you're like, ये बस मुझे ये एक wand लगा देना, I just wanna fix this one wand. I just wanna do it and do it. Okay, so angels are telling you to ask, what are you clinging upon? Okay, so what is that you are kind of pressurizing yourself, or what is it that you guys are not getting clear? Okay, let me just keep it. Okay, so yeah, so like angels इतने clearly बोल रहे हैं ना guys कि see, there are things that you are getting confused, like एक ही चीज को पकड़ के बैठे हो, ठीक है, नहीं होता वैसे. ओके, यू लाइफ के लिए थोड़े एडजस्टमेंट्स, थोड़े लाइक थोड़े एडजस्टमेंट्स हो, या तो थोड़ा बोलते हैं ना, कुछ चीजें या तो एडजस्ट करनी पड़ती है या तो एक नया रास्ता निकालना पड़ता है. ओके, सो इट शुड बी योर चॉइस. ओके, एंड मेक इट लाइक ये एनर्जी में मत रहो कि आई एम कंफ्यूज, आई डोंट नो. डोंट प्ले अ विक्टिम कार्ड, स्वीट हार्ट्स. You guys are not victim. Okay, I told you, you guys have an golden aura. You have that wisdom within yourself. You have that knowledge within yourself. Then why to play a victim card? Okay, just make use of your wisdom. Okay, and don't clinch upon something that is not serving you. Okay, move ahead, sweethearts. Okay. Let us see which god goddess is with you and what they want to guide you for the coming week. Just remove the 2 cards. Okay. Lord Garuda and Gajanath. Sorry, Jagannath. I'm so sorry to pronouncing it wrong. Jagannath, okay? Lord of the universe. Worldly power, devotion to Krishna, freedom from the cycle of birth and death. Ah, wow. Perfection of the art in the service of God. Okay, guys, so as I told you with the temperance card, like your spiritual journey in the coming week is, like एक अलग ही speed पकड़ेगा. Okay, your spiritual journey is going to be really, really awesome, and it's a beginning of your spiritual journey. Okay, and some of you might, might get busy with some rituals for your spiritual growth. Okay, what I'm getting is for you, yourself. Okay, your spiritual growth. Okay, so your spiritual growth is going to be, like यहाँ से यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. Okay, so like and I don't know why I'm feeling that for some. Okay, like you guys were kind of confused between 1 and pile 2. Okay, because Lord Krishna's energy I'm also getting very strongly here. Okay, so yeah, if you're confused, you can watch both of them for your guidance, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is Garuda. Okay, carrier of Vishnu. You have, okay, fine, there is some connection with Krishna. Okay, devotion to God, protection from snakes, security while traveling, improved ability to serve God. Okay, guys, so like even Garuda is assuring you that hey, you're protected, you need not worry or stuck with something. As your spiritual growth will constantly increase, you will receive that knowledge, you will receive the strength to face the situation. Okay, but for that, rather than, okay, and like, and also Garuda is confirming that everyone is protected in your family. Okay, and you need not worry. Okay, he's assuring you the security. Okay, and there will be absolute amazing spiritual growth, guys. It's like तुम अपना focus हटा के ना, like as for some, it's, I'm just feeling that you people will get so much. It's like I have to do the spiritual growth, I have to do the spiritual growth, constantly focus on it and pressurize it. Don't like it's okay, जो है ना वो automatically होगा. You need not pressurize something कि I have to do it, I have to do it. No, it will happen automatically. Okay, so just chill, just take a chill pill. Okay, have some fun and take care of yourself. Okay, spiritual growth will happen with the divine timing, and like it is happening, and like I can feel the process is on. Okay, you just need to give the divine its time. Some like कुछ भी एक रात में नहीं बदल सकता. Okay, ask for help from others, peaceful resolution. Okay, guys, you know what, I don't know why I'm feeling that some of you were really confused between pile 1 and pile 2. Okay, and if you are, you should also watch pile 1. Okay, yeah, for some, I'm just see, angels are telling me that ask help from others. Okay, see, you need not do everything on your own so that you will get burdened. Okay, so delegate yourself, delegate your work. Okay, then not yourself, but delegate your work. Okay, delegate your work so that you will not be in that pressure. Okay, and with that confusion or dilemma. ठीक है, take help from others, ask help from others. दूसरों की help लेने से कुछ गलत नहीं हो जाएगा. Fine, and there will, angels are also assuring you that there will be peaceful resolution. And मुझे ना इस peaceful resolution अपने अंदर लग रहा है. ठीक है, like you will have that peaceful resolution within yourself. Okay, you will have that confidence, or I would say the जो confusion यहाँ पे है ना, that will get resolved. Okay, that confusion, angels are assuring you that all you need to do is meditate. Okay, all you need to do is meditate and work upon your spiritual journey, but don't pressurize too much. Okay, just keep it light. Okay, and just keep on doing your work, and rest of the things they will handle it. But make sure that you take help from others, and as well as angels are assuring you that hey, everything will be sorted, and it's just gonna be awesome. Okay, so this was your overall reading for the coming week ahead, guys. I hope you loved it, and take whatever resonates to you, and be positive, guys. Just cheer up. I love you all. Bye bye, and thank you for showing so much of love. Keep supporting. Bye bye. Hello, pile 3. So, whoever has chosen Sai Baba, okay, for you guys, he's really blessing you guys. Okay, like Sai Baba is, ऐसा है कि you have always prayed to me. I'm always be there, be there by your side. You have my back. Okay, these are his words, like you have my back. Okay, just keep it like this. I don't know whether it will stand. Okay, yeah. Let's see how your coming week is going to be with the tarot cards. Okay. I'll stick this to cards. Okay, guys. So in the coming week, okay, that is from 7th May to 13th May 2021. Okay, you guys, the one who has chosen this file, okay, you guys might face some kinds of challenges, okay, in current situation, okay, at the beginning of the week. Okay, so beginning of the week you will feel, I'm kind of stressed out, whatever, no matter what I do, people always come to me and always kind of say something, or else or else you can say that the situation is not serving you. Okay, you might feel that people are leaving me, or else people are kind of not supporting me, I would say. Okay, you are kind of feeling that there is lack of support around you. Okay, but Sai Baba is strongly saying that I'm there with you. Okay, you're not alone. Fine. And like ये भी है ना कि in the coming week you will receive certain ideas to enhance your business. Okay, so it's like your business, okay, whatever it is going on will be of importance, or for some you might think of starting a new business. Okay, so see, this person is an entrepreneur. Okay, he's kind of standing and looking, observing his business, how long is like merchant. Okay, he's looking, observing his ships, like how big I have expanded my business, and kind of looking for support. Like this guy's kind of looking for support in your case, guys, but like he's observing everything, observing his business. Okay, and Sai Baba is assuring you that you will receive some like some kind of business ideas. You will receive some ideas to enhance your business. Okay, so make actions. Okay, take some actions to enhance your business. Okay, let's see next cards. The Hanged Man. Okay, so the angels are telling you that, hey, it's okay if you're kind of feeling that the support is not available to you. Bring a change in your mindset. Okay, the Hanged Man, how is he? See, observe him. Okay, see, how is he? He is just hanging in a kind of piece of wood, I would say. Okay, but look at the way he is hanging. He is not upset, he is not depressed, he is happy. He's just hanging upside down. Okay, he's just enjoying where is he. There is abundance available to him. That is the knowledge that is available to him. Okay, his intuitions are really good. Okay, so it's kind of, you have to change the perception of your life. Okay, whatever you're thinking, the way you're taking your life, or the way you're taking the current situation, okay, the coming week, okay, you have to take it more positively. And what if the things are not working in your favor, just remember that like how you can turn it in your favor, or else what you can do to improve the situation. Okay, make use of the situation. Okay, Page of Sword. Okay, fine. So guys, in the coming week, okay, there will be you might also get lots of ideas, okay, like downpour of ideas might happen, or else there might be a younger person, okay, younger person who would like who would, I'm just hearing, okay, a younger person than you might, okay, might disrespect you. This is not for everyone, okay, might disrespect you, and you get disappointed with, hey, this person is so younger than me, how can he like not respect me, okay. It's okay, okay, think the hangman, change your point of view, think like ulta socho, उल्टा सोचो इन द सेंस अलग तरीके से सोचो, थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, okay, think what you have learned in the situation and move ahead, okay. But I'm also feeling that that ideas, okay, you will receive certain ideas, or else a younger person than you might also give you the idea for your business, okay. That person can help you for your business, okay. That person might give you the guidance, hey, you should do this, it will be it will be kind of helpful for your business to grow in future. But you might think, hey, this person is so younger, that person has just an experience in this field, what I'm doing right now in this business, okay. But remember, okay, that person has knowledge, is very intellectual, okay. So listen to that person, okay, like take his advice, okay. So this is your last card for the coming week ahead. Okay, 10 of Wands, so lovely souls. There is so much of wands over here. See, there are 3 wands, okay. So that means you are kind of I'm just seeing that you're occupied with work. It's like you're sitting in middle, and things are going around you, constantly things are going around you, one or the other thing, okay. And for some you're kind of pressurizing yourself a lot, okay. Might be you're pressurizing yourself with the responsibilities that you have in your home, or in your society, or else like it's like you have too much on your plate, okay. You can delegate the work, okay, you can share your work, okay, you can take help from others, and I'm like, relax guys, don't take so much of pressure. This is why the Hanged Man has come, and it's Major Arcana. It's like hey, this is the situation where you're growing, okay. This is the situation where the universe is examining you, okay. So have that patience, have that strength within yourself, have that confidence that this time will move on, and make use of the situation, okay. I'm just feeling that the things are not happening as per your favor, but you are kind of getting disappointed, not really disappointed, but kind of shocked, like why me, things like that. So don't worry guys, okay. Change your point of view, think that something better is gonna come to you. And also remember, if you have received the situation, there is something that you should learn from it, okay. So ask yourself, what is it that you should learn from the situation, and make the things work for you, okay. So now let us see what oracle cards wanna guide you for the coming week ahead, okay. Sorry. Imrama, where are you being called to journey? Call to journey to. Okay guys, so here I'm also kind of feeling that you guys are kind of feeling lost, okay. You kind of feeling lost, and like, hey, I just sometimes you feel like just leave everything and just go somewhere in some isolated places far from everyone, and just sit quietly and just feel calm, and just sleep and relax, because of the burden, because of the constantly work that is around you, and that the responsibilities that are constantly surrounding you 24/7, okay. It's like you're feeling too much, Okay, so like take rest, guys. Okay, take rest, heal yourself, and like you have a journey. Okay, whatever this is happening, it's your journey. Okay, so make use of it. Ask yourself that what is it, where am I going, why is it happening, and how can I turn this thing, whatever that is happening in the current life, like at present, how can I change it, how can I like bring that abundance and prosperity in my life. Okay, I'll just keep it here. You are already doing it. Stop overthinking. Keep facing your true north. Okay, guys. Here I'm feeling that for like some of you or most of you. Okay, like it can be the most of you. Okay, you guys kind of overthink. Okay, if someone opposed to you, or if someone is not supporting you, or something happened that you didn't thought of, like don't overthink regarding it. Okay, have some time, like spend time with yourself, do some meditation. Okay, just don't overthink, because keep facing your true north, like your true self. Okay, like realize your true self. Okay, you need not just do what others want, or else what others say, what others think. Follow your heart. Okay, the only word I'm listening is follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart. Okay, so just follow your heart, guys. Just like it will take you to the journey that you actually belong to. Okay, just listen to your heart, follow your dreams, follow your desires. Okay, now let us see which goddess is with you and what message they want to give you in the coming week, for your coming week. Okay, okay, Kali. This card doesn't want to come out. Fine. Okay. Fine. Lord Kali, Ma Kali. Okay, so Ma Kali is like goddess of destruction. Okay, like the evil is going to end. Okay, the situation, she is assuring you. I also felt a strong connection with the divine. Okay, like a goddess, feminine energy of this pile. Okay, at the beginning itself, but I don't know, somehow it just skipped, and I just didn't say told, or I don't remember if I told. But yeah. Okay, the goddess energy, Ma Kali, is with you, and she wanna, she wanna confirm you that, okay, purification of subtle force centers, okay, sorry, force centers, ascension of the divine Kundalini energy, happiness and fulfillment in this world, then divine ecstasy of the transcendent reality. Okay, but you know what, guys, I'm just strongly feeling with this card is that a new beginning is going to happen. Beginning in the sense, what the thing that was not serving, okay, the energy that this card had, okay, that thing is going to come to an end. Okay, a happy time is gonna come up, is gonna show up in front of you. Okay, like this week is going to be kind of at the beginning of the week you will feel like I'm not achieving what I actually thought of, but that Ma Kali is assuring you that, hey, have patience, like the happy time is starting. Okay, it is just a beginning. Okay, it is just a beginning. Okay, Lord Yama, Lord of Death. Knowledge of the law, righteous and action, overcoming the fear of death, steadfastness in the face of judgment. Okay, guys. So here Lord Yama is assuring you that you in the coming week you will face your fears. Okay, you will overcome your fears. Okay, it's like the responsibilities that you had and you were stuck, you will kind of look within yourself, and you will feel, hey, this is the time I should relax and focus on myself and overcome my fears. Okay, so there is lots of knowledge downpour also happening, as this also represents wise, knowledge, wiser knowledge. Okay, so even with the Page of Wands, I just felt that for some of you that you will receive like ideas regarding your business. Okay, how to improve your business or things like that. Fine, so let us see what angel answers want to tell you, what want to guide you for the coming week ahead. Communicate clearly. Oops. And look for a sign. Okay, so here in the coming week, angels is saying that communication is going to be of really importance. Okay, see, whatever you're feeling, whatever you're going through with this, like you're getting over pressured and kind of overburdened. Okay, you need to communicate properly that, hey, I'm not able to handle this much of pressure. Okay, whatever is happening, like we should face it together. Okay, like, so like communicate properly. And even with Sai Baba, if you want to say something to him, okay, communicate clearly, just open your heart, like just speak your heart out in front of him. He will listen to everything and give you solutions. Okay, and see, look for a sign. Okay, he will give you solutions via some signs. And for example, he might enter your dreams, or he might send someone to give you a message. Okay, and that person might be younger from you. Okay, so yeah, this is how your overall week is going to be, guys. Okay, all the best, guys. See, no future is written on stones. Okay, at any point of time, you are the one who can change your life with your thoughts. Okay, so make a choice, make a best choice of your life, and just enjoy your life, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for showering so much of love to my channel. Okay, as we are now 100+ subscribers, 100+ family, I'm so grateful for all of you guys. I really love you, and I will keep bringing videos that will enhance your mind, body and soul, that will help you and motivate you to move ahead in your life. Okay, so yeah, this was all for the reading of this for the coming week. So I just signing off. Oh God, कभी-कभी मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, I just feel, hey, what did I said, ऐसा होता है. So yeah, guys, see you in the next week, or see you soon. I might post something in the coming days. Okay, so yeah, wish you all the best for the coming week. Live, love and love. Okay, so bye guys, lots of love. Thank you for watching and showering so much of love. I'm so grateful for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.